County, North Central Wake County, Durham County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Durham, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Hillsborough, Creedmoor, Butner, Lake Michie, Falls Lake State Rec Area, Anno River State Park, Gorman, and Bahama. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Granville, Orange, and Wake.